The unbalanced load error on your Maytag commercial washer, often displayed as UL or a flashing light, means the machine's sensors have detected an uneven distribution of weight inside the drum during the spin cycle. This triggers a halt to prevent damage from excessive vibration. Newer models may offer Bluetooth connectivity to the Maytag app for remote diagnostics. Successful operation hinges on balanced loads. An imbalance occurs when a majority of the laundry weight, about 80 to 90%, is concentrated on one side of the drum. This causes excessive vibration and triggers the unbalanced load error. Evenly distribute clothes throughout the drum to minimize centrifugal force imbalances during spin cycles. Avoid washing single heavy items like rugs alone, as they can cause severe imbalances. Proper load balance ensures smooth operation and prevents damage to the washer. The importance of leveling your washer cannot be overstated. Ensure your Maytag washer is perfectly level on all four legs. Even a slight tilt, as little as 1/4 inch, can amplify vibrations and trigger the unbalanced load error. Use a bubble level to check and adjust the legs until the machine is stable. Recheck after each adjustment to ensure proper leveling. Proper leveling prevents stress on the suspension system and reduces vibration issues. The suspension system in commercial washers absorbs vibrations during spin cycles to prevent damage. Key components include shock absorbers, springs, and dampers. These components work together to stabilize the drum and minimize movement. Like vehicle suspensions, washer components degrade over 5 to 7 years from regular use and wear. Inspect components regularly for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage that could cause imbalance issues. When replacing components, align the drum with the tub using alignment tools and ensure suspension arms are properly positioned. Using proper alignment equipment ensures accurate installation and helps prevent future unbalanced load errors. The unbalanced load error can often be resolved with simple fixes. When the error occurs, pause the cycle first, then manually redistribute the laundry inside the drum to achieve even balance. Finally, restart the spin cycle. This approach works in many cases without needing repairs. First, pause the cycle immediately when you see the unbalanced load error. This stops the washer from continuing to spin and potentially causing damage. Next, open the washer door and redistribute the laundry. Move wet clothes from one side to the other to create even weight distribution. This balances the load and prevents vibration. Finally, close the door securely and restart the cycle. Select the spin or resume option. The washer should now run without the unbalanced error. Remember, this quick fix of pausing, redistributing, and restarting resolves most unbalanced load errors in Maytag commercial washers. When dealing with unbalanced load errors in Maytag washers, many issues can be fixed at home. For minor problems like leveling the machine or redistributing the laundry, DIY solutions work well in about 70% of cases. However, for more complex faults involving suspension components like shock absorbers or springs, professional repair is necessary. This applies to around 20% of cases that need part replacements, with suspension issues making up 40% of commercial washer problems. Especially for commercial units, professional service helps avoid voiding warranties. Always check error codes first to determine the appropriate fix. Industry trends are shifting toward preventive maintenance for Maytag commercial washers. By implementing regular checks and using smart technology, businesses can avoid unbalanced load errors before they occur. Newer models feature IoT integration with predictive analytics that alert users to potential imbalances through apps. By 2026, over 40% of commercial models include this technology, reducing repair needs by 25%. Eco-friendly designs also minimize vibration through energy-efficient motors. These sustainable features not only help the environment, but also lower operational costs for businesses. Looking ahead, AI-driven diagnostics are becoming standard by 2030. These systems can auto-correct imbalances with adaptive spin speeds, potentially reducing complaints by 30%. Despite challenges like supply chain issues pushing suspension part prices up 15%, the future outlook is positive, with smarter designs leading to fewer imbalance problems overall. Case studies demonstrate that addressing imbalances can significantly reduce downtime and costs. In 2024, a laundromat chain retrofitted Maytag washers with suspension kits, cutting downtime by 35% and saving $200,000 annually. A 2025 hotel case showed that fixing leveling and shocks plus quarterly checks reduced incidents by 60%. An individual user avoided a $300 service call by replacing springs for just $50. Experts emphasize that most imbalance errors are user fixable. Appliance technicians recommend annual suspension inspections, with proactive maintenance and user awareness being key to prevention. Statistics show that 65% of users are unaware of leveling's importance, which is linked to 25% of warranty claims.